We're told that the population P of fish in thousands, see if that makes a difference, in a certain pond at time t years is modeled by this function, 1 over 1 plus 1 over p sub 0 minus 1 times e to the power of minus rt, where this is the population at time equal to 0. And r is the growth rate of the population. They tell us that p of 1 is 5. Question is, which of the following is equivalent to r? So we have to use this information and then rewrite this to isolate r. So if we put t equal to 1, this is p1, which we know is 5, and we substitute t equal to 1 into this expression. So 1 plus 1 over p sub 0 minus 1 to the power of times e to the minus r, because t is 1. So I'm going to cross multiply this. This becomes 5 times 1 plus 1 over p0 minus 1 e to the minus r equal to 1. I'm going to distribute this. 5 plus 5 times 1 over p0 minus 1 e to the minus r is 1. So I can subtract 1. This becomes 4. So this is equal to 0. So now I think I just have to move it to the next slide. So 4 plus 5 times 1 over p0 minus 1 e to the minus r is 0. So I have to isolate this term. So I'm going to actually move this to the other side. So this would be minus on the outside 1 over p0 minus 1 times e to the minus r. And I can combine this. So this is 1 minus p0 over p0 times e to the minus r. And to take into account the minus, I'll just take this minus and multiply it to this term. So that would become 5 times p0 minus 1 over p0. So to isolate that, I mean, in the exam, I'll probably do it a little bit faster, skipping some steps here. But I just wanted to make sure you can see all the steps. So essentially, I'm moving that up, goes to the denominator. And e to the minus r is that. I take natural log on both sides. So that's for p0. Actually, what I'm going to do, maybe this is easier for you to see this. This is 1 over e to the r, which means e to the r is 5 times p sub 0 minus 1 over for p0, because I'm just going to flip. So essentially it's like this. 1 over a over b is 1 over x, which means x is b over a. You can just flip them. So this is x over 1. So that's kind of what I did here. And then r will be, I'll take a natural log of this expression. And if you look at the answer choices, it is indeed there, and it's answer E.